Hey guys, so we've talked about the first three apps already, the Abandonment Protector app, the Best Currency Converter, and Cards Guru. And in this video, I will be putting in a few apps together in one video because we don't really use them. Either we don't really use them or you guys already know what they are. So the first one is Custom Cat. I think we only have about two or three print-on-demand products that we're not even selling, but we just use Custom Cat to actually sell these print-on-demand products. So it's just basically a print-on-demand fulfillment company. There's a whole mess of them. There's Printful. I think there's one called Printify, but I'm not 100% sure. There's Custom Cat. There's a few of them. So Custom Cat is just the one that we chose because you pay $30 a month, but the products are cheaper. They're a lot cheaper than all the other companies. The next app here that we have is Data Feed Watch, which this is just an app that basically creates a product feed for your Facebook for dynamic product ads on Facebook. So I mean that's basically what it does. And we have data feed and we also have Facebook product feed. This is the one that we're actually using now. Um, I think so. I'm not gonna delete this one, but I will probably delete this one after this video sometime because Facebook product feed does the same exact thing. It just basically creates a product feed for your Facebook. The last two apps that I want to mention in this video are Oberlo, which you guys already know how to use it and what it's for. And then we also have Dropify, which is basically Oberlo's main competitor. We have both of them because we have tried both of them, but we decided to stick with Oberlo. But again, I'm not going to go into detail on any of these apps because Oberlo you guys already learned, and Dropify basically does the same thing as Oberlo, but it's just a different app. It's the competitor of Oberto. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to make sure that there's no app here that I don't explain, so that later on you guys are like, oh, he didn't talk about that app. So I will talk about every single app in here. So these apps that I talked about, they're not. I'm not going to go into too much detail because again, we either A, don't use them, or B, you guys already know how to use them. All right, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.